We all go through periods in life that are tougher than others, and when I went through a rough patch, Nick was there to help me out. He didn't have to ask, he just stepped up like a good friend. And now that I'm back on my feet and everything's doing better, I feel like I would like to repay him somehow. I'm pretty sure it would be a surprise for him to get a guitar from me. So that was my motivation to build him one, and I did. And thankfully it turned out to be my best one yet. I'm looking forward to seeing what Nick says when he gets it. Excited, a little nervous. This is my first giveaway, so we'll see. He's not here yet. That's a good thing. At least I think he's not here yet. So I'm trying to hide the guitar. Here he comes. I don't know if you actually like this food or not, but
I mean, good stuff. You want to grab some?
Before we do,
Yeah?
here's your gift.
What do you mean, here's my gift? You made me a guitar.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, how do I even open this?
You're gonna have to figure out how to open it yourself.
Lesson 1, how to open a
Yes.
guitar.
Oh, there's something in all the pockets as well.
Oh god. You really got me a guitar?
No, I didn't get you a guitar. I made you a guitar.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow.
It may not be in tune.
Well, it's only one way to find out.
It is not in tune.
That's awesome. Thanks.
Yeah, of course.
That's a nice
It was my pleasure.
You know, I don't actually have like a Strat style guitar.
You do or you don't?
I don't.
I hadn't seen one at your place. There's
No.
even still the plastic on there for you to peel off.
Oh, for this.
So you get that
Yeah,
new guitar feel.
Wow, that is nice.
Oh yeah, there's some stuff in there. Gotta have a cable. I know you have them already, but
Yeah.
it came with the kit, so I figured why not.
And what's this?
Orange
Nice.
stripe. Gotta have orange guitar picks.
Nice. And then the strap. Oh, and it matches.
Of course,
Nice.
and there's more in there too.
More in here.
One of them might be in the
One of them.
other one. Yeah.
Other
There's
one.
a whammy bar in there, and there's some signature picks as well.
Oh yeah, it's way down here.
I got the one with the knob.
Made these, printed these.
I had those made in China.
Made in China. They've come a long ways.
But yeah, it's just a Strat kit, and then what I did was I put some better tuners on there. These
Yeah.
are Wilkinson tuners. I replaced the pick guard and the pickups that came with it because they were total garbage.
Yeah.
And so this is like still not like top of the line, but it's better than what was on there. And then the bridge that's on there, it came with the trim block was really like thin pewter. And I just happened to have an actual Fender trim block laying around, which is really thick. So I
Yeah.
put that in there.
Cool.
Yeah, that's about it.
Wow.
And then of course custom headstock.
Nice. Yeah.
So these are ceramic pickups that are in there. So they're for single coils, they're fairly hot,
Yeah.
which makes them good for the chunky thing.
Yeah.
I like that kit so much, I almost bought a second one right away. But I figured I didn't want to do two of the same kind of guitar right in a row.
Yeah. This is really nice.
I think there's also plastic on the back of the tuners. I don't remember if I took that off
On
or
the
not.
back of the.
On the actual tuner heads, like here. I don't remember if I took that off yet or not.
I can take a closer look at it. It does feel like there might be. In fact, there probably is. That's really nice, man.